Hello guys, welcome to next video on this playlist Python for beginners. Currently in this playlist we have started exploration of NLP, which is natural language processing. So let's continue this journey of exploration by moving towards directly Colab notebook that we have created in last video. So this is that Colab notebook, and in last video we successfully completed the concept of tokenization. So in short, tokenization is simply used to divide the sentence in form of list of words or characters. So that we have did, and now in today's video we will be exploring this stemming concept. What is this stemming concept? So stemming concept is simply used to convert a word into its root form. So let's take an example. So using stemming we can convert the word from running to run, place to play, sleeping to sleep, so that the machine can understand the word and can predict what human wants to say. Now let's explore how we can create this stemming. So to this I have to make import of this stemming. So the command to import stemming is like this. As you can see, I successfully written the command from nltk.stem import porter stem. So what is this porter stem? So in simple terms, porter stem is used to remove the suffix that is connected to the root form of word. That's why I have imported this, and the cell is run successful, as you can see. Now let's type another command to load this porter stem method. So I will simply copy it and simply type here st, which is a variable in which our porter stem will be get initialized. And I also run the cell, as you can see. Let's wait for a few seconds and it has run. Now how you can use this st or porter stemmer? So you can simply type st, which is this dot stem. So this is a method inside this porter stemmer which normally does the work of porter. So I will simply pass here, let's say battle, and let's run the cell. So let's wait for the output, and as you can see the output is bat. So the root form of word batting is bat. And if you want to try something another, let's try this time bowling. Then what can be the output? Let's run this cell to verify or to check. So the answer is ball. Now let's make a list of words. So as you can see, I have created a list of words which are running, sleeping, plays, quickly. Now let's run this cell so that the word or its it will get initialized. Now after that, let's run a for loop for word in words, and I'll simply type let's say print st.stem and just pass here that word. Now let's run this to see the output. So the output is run, sleep, play, quickly. So as you can see, it has determined the output of quickly incorrectly. So the output should be quick. So this is a problem that is faced by stemming, which is solved by limonization. So in next video, we will see what is limonization. So for today's video, I just wanted you to introduce the concept which is stemming, which is simply used to reduce a word to its root form. And the main method that does this job is porter stemmer, which simply removes the suffix that is appended to the root word. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, then don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Also, if you face any queries while running this code, you can simply message me on Instagram and comment section below. And the source code of today's video is available in video description. You can definitely check out that. Here comes the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video.